5 Insane Habits That Kill Sexual Spark in a Relationship. Hey there, welcome back to your favorite Dr. Frank, where we talk openly about sex, relationships, and the deep connection between love and life. Today, we're uncovering some habits that silently kill the sexual spark in relationships. If your love life feels different lately, if the passion seems to be fading, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's draining the intimacy and how to bring it back. 1. Emotional disconnection. Sex doesn't start in the bedroom, it starts in the heart. Research from the Gottman Institute shows that when emotional connection fades, sexual attraction naturally declines. When couples stop talking deeply, stop laughing, or stop showing affection, the body follows the heart. You can't crave someone you longer feel emotionally close to. Spend time reconnecting. Talk, listen, and share your feelings again. It's the most natural aphrodisiac there is. 2. Poor hygiene. By my ranking, this is one of the most insane habits, and if you're guilty, I want you to act fast. Attraction starts with how we take care of ourselves. You can't expect your partner to desire you when you've stopped showing that you value yourself. Research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine confirms that hygiene and personal grooming strongly influence sexual desire. When your partner senses neglect, the body odor, unkempt hair, bad breath, or simply looking like you've stopped trying, it silently communicates, "I no longer care." Please, don't let that message destroy your intimacy. Take care of your hygiene. Smell good. 3. Routine and predictability. Passion dies in routine. When every interaction, every date, and every intimate moment becomes predictable, the brain loses excitement. Neuroscience tells us that novelty releases dopamine, the same chemical that sparks attraction in the early stages of love. So try something new. Surprise each other, go on a spontaneous date, or explore a new way to show affection. Keep curiosity alive, it's what keeps love thrilling. 4. Criticism and comparison. Words are powerful, they can build intimacy or destroy it. When partners constantly criticize, compare, or belittle each other, emotional safety disappears. Research from Harvard School of Public Health links chronic criticism to reduced oxytocin, the bonding hormone that fuels closeness and sexual connection. Instead, speak life into your partner. Appreciate their effort, affirm their worth, and watch how desire grows from mutual respect. 5. Ignoring each other's love language. Many couples love each other, but not in the way their partner feels loved. Dr. Gary Chapman's Love Languages research shows that when emotional needs go unmet, physical intimacy often fades too. Learn your partner's love language, whether it's words, time, gifts, acts of service, or touch. Real intimacy starts when both partners feel seen, heard, and loved. Here's the truth, sexual spark doesn't just disappear. It's either fed or starved by the little habits we build every single day. If you've recognized yourself in any of these habits, don't feel ashamed, feel motivated. Because awareness is the first step to change. Start by reconnecting emotionally, taking care of your body, and keeping curiosity alive in your relationship. Remember, love is not lost, it's just waiting to be reignited. And on our next episode, we'll be talking about how to effectively communicate with your partner if he or she is guilty of any of these habits, without fights, shame, or emotional shutdowns. You don't want to miss that one. If this helped you, drop a love emoji in the comments, share it with a friend or sister who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more real, honest conversations about love, sex, and faith, right here with your favorite Dr. Frank.